Cognitively, gorillas lack the curiosity and adaptability of chimpanzees. But gorillas are calmer and more persistent. Captive gorillas have shown a capacity for problem solving and have demonstrated capability for insight as well as memory and anticipation of experience. They also appear to be as adept as chimpanzees at learning sign language from humans. Some gorillas can recognize their image in a mirror and can thus be said to have some sense of self-awareness. This trait is shared with chimpanzees and orangutans. Only a few other non-human animals possess that ability. Gorillas spend much of their time foraging and resting, with a group traveling a few hundred meters between several daily feeding bouts. Their diet is vegetarian. That of eastern gorillas includes leaves, stalks, and shoots. The gorilla is active during the day, or diurnal, and primarily terrestrial, usually walking about on all four limbs with part of its weight supported on the knuckles of its hands. This mode of locomotion, called knuckle walking, is shared with chimpanzees. At dusk each gorilla builds its own crude sleeping nest by bending branches and foliage. A new nest is built every night either on the ground or in the trees. Gorillas live in stable family groups numbering from 6 to 30. The groups are led by one or two silverback males that are related to each other, usually a father and one or more of his sons. The life expectancy of wild gorillas is about 35 years, though captive gorillas have lived into their 40s. Wild female gorillas give birth about once every 4 years, although there is no fixed breeding season. The gestation period is about 8.5 months, and births are usually single, though twins occur on rare occasions. A newborn gorilla weighs only about 2 kilograms and is utterly helpless for the first 3 months of life. The young gorilla sleeps in the mother's nest at night and rides on her back during the day. The gorilla has become increasingly rare throughout its range, having suffered from human destruction of its forest habitat, from big game hunting and over-collection by zoos and research institutions. A newer threat is hunting, associated with the bushmeat trade, especially to feed logging crews.